Lake frontage, wooded areas, and tillable property in southern Michigan. This property is loaded with opportunities. Metzger Property Services presents the 72 acres in St. Joseph County, selling at auction November 18th. These 72 acres will be offered in 4 individual tracts, each with frontage on Maystead Road, and tracts will be offered in combinations and the entirety. Situated in Burr Oak Township of St. Joseph County, this property is about 4 miles north of Sturgis at 28429 Maystead Road. Tract 1 is mostly wooded, 10 acres in size, and includes frontage on Fish Lake and Little Fish Lake. Also mostly wooded, Tract 2 is 20 acres and has frontage on Little Fish Lake. Tract 3 is 20 acres, most of which is tillable land, with the balance of Tract 3 being wooded areas. At 22 acres in size, most of Tract 4 is tillable property with small wooded areas. Mark your calendar to visit the open house and see this property firsthand, Sunday afternoon, November 12th from 3 to 4 o'clock. Tillable property, wooded areas, and lake frontage, these 72 acres of opportunities, just north of Sturgis in St. Joseph County, Michigan, will sell at on-site auction Saturday morning, November 18th at 10 o'clock. To find out more, call Dodie at 260-463-1717. Call Metzger Property Services 260-982-0238 or visit the website bidmetzger.com.